this is a problem of set theory. It's given, let U be the universal set. A, B, C are the sets such that C is a subset of A and B intersection C is none. Number of elements in U is 105. Number of elements in A is 58. Number of elements in B is 50. Number of elements in A intersection B is 20. And the number of elements in A intersection C is 32. Then, what is the difference between number of elements in A union B and the number of elements in B complement intersection C complement? The best way to do this is simply to create the set. So, I have a universal set where there are a total of 105 elements. Set A contains a total of 58 elements and set B contains a total of 50 elements. The intersection of these sets contains 20. So, from B, 20 are shared with A. That means there are 30 elements exclusively in B. It is given that C is a subset of A. So, I have C completely within A. And also B intersection C is none. So, C has nothing in common with B. Now, the number of elements common to A and C is 32, which means from the 58, I have got 32 in C and 20 shared with B. So 32 plus 20, 52. There are 6 elements. From the 58, I subtract 32 and 20. 6 elements which are exclusively within A. So now I get 32 elements plus 6, 38 elements plus 20, 58 elements plus 30, 88 elements. So if 88 elements are accounted for, then from 105 when I subtract 88, I am left with 23 elements which are not a member of A, B or C. Now, the number of elements in A union B is simply all those elements which are included in A and B. That would be the 32 elements plus 6 elements plus 20 elements plus 30 elements, which we have already calculated as 88. B complement intersection C complement is every single number inside which is not a part of B and which is also not a part of C, right? So B complement is everything outside B. So from the 105 elements, if I eliminate my 50 elements, I'm left with 55 elements. From those 55 elements, if I eliminate C's 32 elements, then 55 minus 32. So putting in paper, B complement will be the total of 105 minus the 50, which is equal to 55 elements, from which I subtract the elements of C, which is 23. So B complement intersection C complement gives me 23. So the number of elements in this is 23. So number of elements in A union B minus the number of elements in B complement intersection C complement is 88 minus 23, which comes out to a total of 65. Option D, 65 is the answer which I am looking for.